The purpose of the practice of it is to have a somatic experience of each of the four quadrants. That's it. And to enjoy it and find out whatever you find out. Yes, there's a very important difference between what you want to do and what you are willing to do. But maybe you did not know that it's hard to touch your partner for your own pleasure. There's times for me to be picky about what I want. That's when it's my turn. Be picky about what I want. I respect your limits, of course, but I still am going with what I want. And other times when what I want doesn't matter. Whether I'm happy to give it, that matters. Being able to have a desire and act on it. And the reason I can act on it is because I have learned how to find out what you're okay with and not what your limits are.